Hello, my curlies. Erica, your curl dresser here. And I was getting ready to do a whole separate video, and I realized I have so much frizz that I really need to fix it. I fixed one side, and I thought, let me show my curlies. Let me show you the Shake and Shine by CURLSMITH and how different it's going to look. I'm going to get up close and personal. You see this here? Gosh, I hope so. Good. Oh yeah. Okay, so we see all that, right? Well, unacceptable. Not bothering with the back. Yes, I tell you, don't forget the back, because not only do they see you coming, they see you going. For this demonstration, screw it. What I want is to make sure that all of this frizz gets tamed down so it's just not so frizzed. After you spritz, you're gonna smooth. You want to push all those little hairs into a curl, because that's what's adding to the halo effect. Do you see the difference? Oi, would you look at all this gray? I mean, I used the Color Wow touch-up powder just on what was visible, because I was not planning on this video. When you do the underneath, the ends are going to be visible. You want them to be non-frizzed. And I'm spraying the air. Where the hell? Okay, what's happening? Why is that not looking right? Did I get something on the lens? Oh yeah. I sprayed the lens. Crap. Is it better? Is that better? Oh, goodness. Spray it once, twice, 3 times, whatever your hair needs, and then smooth them down. And if something still looks a little frizzy, it's okay to hit it again. See how much better that looks now? Except for my gray. Can I get you lower? My apologies that my essential tremor is not controlled. I forgot to take my gabapentin earlier and it hasn't kicked in yet. My apologies for the shaking. Just keep spraying and smoothing until it's all fixed. Look at the difference. My hair doesn't look like the Sahara Desert, and it has shine now. Let's stick a clip in it. Spray it, smooth it, and move on to the next section. If you see that something has a little extra frizz on it, spray it. Don't be afraid. See that big chunk? If you want it to be less chunked, you can see where it's splitting. Split it. Absolutely split it. You get more volume because things aren't stuck together. Seriously, Erica. Let's see if we can get this to look better. Look at that difference. This big twist up of one thicker curl with smaller curls not going with the flow of the big one was bugging me. You know me. I'm not one to leave something. I have to do it if it's bugging me. There were so many small hairs that were crisscrossing inside this chunk. That was enough to make them all gather up together. And you see how it's not frizzy. I mean, there's a little frizz at the end, but it survived. After you pull something apart, if it has a little frizz on it, you can either take your fingers with a little water or a little product just to smooth it out and make it shiny. I'm not doing full sprays, which is why I'm spritzing them a little more. What do you think? Now, because I'm neurotic, even though I know nothing is perfect, nothing is precious, I still want a little more. A little more control and a little less frizz. So I'm just spraying and smoothing my fingers over. These are little hairs. Where do these little hairs want to be? Does it matter? The point is, look at how much better it looks now. Oh my goodness. It's kind of voluminous. Of course, the top with less hair. What are you gonna do? Ow. Just don't pull it out when you're taking out the clips. Oy vey. What do we think? I think it looks better. If you need something that's going to tame that frizz so that you can get an extra day, 2, 3, especially with the holidays coming, definitely the CURLSMITH Shake and Shine. You just got to remember to keep shaking it. I will put my link down below so that if you want to try, You can try it. If you want to loosen and lift your curls, flip over. A few ways is you could shake it like I did. You could use your fingers gently so that you are not ruffling any feathers. Or, like I am doing now, I'm using a pick, which is so much better for us with finer hair. Now I am going in to lift from the underneath layers to prevent frizz on top. Or at least I hope so. Oh, that definitely worked. And these little pieces are just, what are you going to do? I'm not going to cut them because it's new growth, and I guess I don't care enough. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Because again, we are the only ones who notice this. Until next time, my curlies. I don't have a cocktail, but cheers and ciao for now. Ignore Zeus.
He's so cute.
After you pull something apart, oh, you can't even see me. I don't have a cocktail. Oh, let's change that. Or not. You know what? Screw it, right?